Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the stock media option on the Filmora 13. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Filmora and we have to open that. And after that, as you can see, you will be able to see the stock media icon here. So we have to go to the stock media. And as you can see, the different types of stock media is provided here. If you want to change, if you want to use these footages, you can also do that. For example, I want to use this one. So we have to click on the download icon and this will be downloaded, and after that you can use this in any project. For example, if you want to download this one, if you want to download this one, these all type of stock media is provided here. If you want to search any kind of specific, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to search for the nature here, and then simply we have to press the enter, and after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get the related searchings here. For example, I want to use the social media here. You can also do that. We have to write the social media, and after that you will get the results accordingly. So in this way you can search any kind of thing here, and you can use this stock media option in the Filmora 13. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use that. So see you in the next video.